I am going to show you one CRAC unit which is used for the rooms which is having critical things like database, servers and all. So here you can see the basic construction. A CRAC unit is basically a simple air conditioner in which I will show you. This is the return air duct. The return air is coming from the room. After that, this is passing. It is axially. It is sucking the air, and it is compressing the air with the help of this blower. It will rotate and make high pressure inside this. So after this, the air will pass from the filters. So you can see the filters. So after passing through the filters, the air will go through the coils. It will cool and it will go to the supply air duct to the rooms. So this is the basic operation of a CRAC unit. So what are the things inside? You can see the axial fan, filter, here coil, cooling coil, copper coil. Here is your compressor, blue color. This is your compressor and expansion valve as it is. You can see. And on the other side, you can see the white color box, which is the different from other units, other air conditioners. So this is your humidifier, which is used to maintain the humidity inside the critical rooms, because the servers and all are very critical. So we have to maintain the moisture level inside the room, otherwise it will affect the performance. So you can see the outside construction, upside return air duct. Then on the other side you can also see filter, copper coil, and here is your humidifier. And this is your supply air duct which is going to the rooms. So that's it about CRAC unit. This is the controller for the CRAC unit.